Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or remove an email address on your Facebook account. Now, whether you have an iPhone, Android, or a computer, you can always go in and choose to delete out an old email and maybe even add a new one if you wanted to do that as well. I'll walk you through the entire process, no matter the device you're on. Now, I'm on an iPhone. Let's open up the Facebook app. And you'll be able to see it looks a little different from my Android phone here. So I'll walk you through the initial step that's a little different. On the iPhone, you can see menu, the profile button at the bottom right. Tap on that. However, on Android and a computer, it'll be at the top right. There you can see it at the top right. From then onwards, it's the exact same no matter what device you're on. Scroll down. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings at the top. Tap on See More in Account Center at the top as well. And then scroll down, tap on Profiles and Personal Details at the top. Scroll down from here. At the bottom, tap on Contact Info. And there is my current email address. Tap on your email. Tap on delete email. And you can see it says you'll no longer be able to use this email to log in or reset. Please note that if you don't have any other contact information on this account, you potentially won't be able to delete that email. So you need a phone number or an email address, of course, to recover your password. When you're ready, just tap on delete here and that email will be deleted. After that, you can always tap the back arrow and tap add email at the bottom and then just go through the process of entering in a new email address if you just have a new one and wanted to delete or remove that old one and replace it with your new and used email address. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like it as well. Thanks, guys.